Today we're heading to SiNTRA, a town in Portugal known for its fairy tale castles. We took the tram to the train station and 40 minutes later we were on a tuk-tuk in SiNTRA.
Oh, okay, thank you. There's blankets in the back. Oh. We just took the train from Lisbon to SiNTRA and now we're on a tuk-tuk going to SiNTRA. We're at the park, and once you enter, you have to hike up this big giant hill to get to the palace, and all you hear, escalator. The soundtrack to walking up the hill is you just hear everybody out of breath. The kid said Harry Potter. Oh, Emily, Harry Potter? What? Huh? Who? It's like my mating call. It's my cock call. We're at Penna Palace. We're trying to get through as much as we can before it rains. It's super foggy, so not the best views. Misty. But we're making the best of it. This reminds me of Shrek. Kingdom of Far, Far Away vibes. Then we went inside the cafe for some snacks, and Grandma was afraid of the glass stairs. You can do it, guys. It's raining. Shiver me timbers. We are not dressed for this trip. Jungle, or like a rainforest. We made it to Castelo dos Moros, the Moorish castle. Great Wall of China vibes. This is Portugal's Stairmaster. Whew. My thighs are burning. Let's check in on Grandma and her fear of heights.
Oh. What's the matter? I'm scared. I'm gonna fall in that Moorish pit. Oh. What's the matter, Mom? No. Oh. Oh.
And then my phone was stolen. Here's footage from the criminal herself.
Hi guys, little cameo appearance of me. And it's very foggy out, you know, if we're under attack, can't see it. I don't want to look at the camera because I'm trying not to slip to my death because it's a deep drop, both sides. Feel like I'm in Ireland, you know, giving a little bit of that Brave movie vibe, you know. Feel like I'm gonna meet a witch, turn into the 3 bears or something like that. I don't know. They're all the way back there. Hi.
We're taking a trail from the Moorish castle to Quinta de Regulera. The map shows a quick 1.4-mile hike through the foliage. This was easy for Aunt Christina, Emily, and I. However, not so easy with your 79-year-old grandmother who has arthritis in her knees.
Watch your hand. Just crawl. Oh, I thought they said that was the end.
The jester has arrived.
What would have taken us 30 minutes actually ended up taking us 2 hours, but we made it and had tapas for lunch.
What's that? Emily ordered a small coffee with milk. Em, show us.
It's psychological.
And we were down to 2.
Down to 2. The other 2 were too tired and went to the train station. We're here at Quinta de Regulera. We're going down the well. Living my tangled dream. From now on, I'll only answer to Rapunzel.
After returning to Lisbon from SiNTRA, we rode the ferry across the Tagus River to Ponto Final and ate a late waterfront dinner before our early flight to London.